In a post-COVID-19 world, global investors and lawmakers are continually looking for economic drivers to fuel economic growth. Few industries offer as much potential in terms of market growth as medical cannabis does. Medical cannabis is the application to the medical industry of the chemical components of cannabis, or cannabinoids. Cannabinoids may treat chronic diseases such as brain disorders, but also have several other medical uses, such as for cancers, seizures, Parkinson's, epilepsy, and many more. Medical cannabis is now recognized as a form of therapy and medicine by the US Federal Drug Administration for the treatment of seizures. The growing acceptance of medical cannabis is not happening only in the US and in Canada, but all over the world, as research centres are calling for wider access to medical cannabis. This emerging market is fueling an impressive growth, with a market that is expected to grow to $65 billion by 2024. According to Morningstar, in the United States alone, the market is expected to grow 8 times in the next 20 years. This is the reason why in 2020, Forbes Finance Council named medical cannabis, along with blockchain and biotech, the top industries to watch in the next decade. Pharmaceutical industries, as well as research and development centres, believe that medical cannabis could lead to a new medical revolution, but they need the cannabinoids to conduct their research. GreenGrow is an operational medicinal cannabis cultivation facility based in South Africa, which holds exclusive rights over one of the only 5 licenses in the country, and is situated on the El Paso farm. This farm is owned and operated by Dr. Brylan Chitsunga, former United Nations Pan-African Ambassador for Food Security. Orange River Wealth gives investors the possibility to invest into shares of GreenGrow Capital through its subsidiary, Orange River Capital. Investors will receive preferred shares which will deliver a fixed dividend of 15% annually starting in 2022. Early investors will also benefit from an additional profit-related bonus of 10% a year. In 2026, the company plans an exit for all investors with a listing on the London Stock Exchange on a projected valuation of 300%. That is, for every dollar invested, investors would receive $4. This investment opportunity offers tangible advantages for investors: diversification in a new asset class, not correlated to the fluctuation of the financial markets, and higher growth potential. How can you get started? This is very easy. Just fill in the documents and receive your investment certificate. Investors may start investing with a minimum investment as low as $25,000 and receive their first preferred dividend as early as 2022. Are you wondering why what Orange River Wealth offers in medical cannabis is best positioned to fit into your asset allocation? Let's schedule a 30-minute call and we can assess whether you are an eligible investor and provide you all the information, terms, and material you need to allow you to make an informed investment decision.